Hi everybody, it's Peter Zunlum's Griniflix Adventurate and welcome to my channel, and also I invite you to come and join me on one of my private tours. Here's just a glimpse of what to expect. Oh, by the way, you can also support Royal Flying Doctor Service. There is a clip here and a link, and by all means use that link, vote, support the Royal Flying Doctor Service. If you're into adventure, if you're into outback travel, they are probably one of the most important services available to anyone in Central Australia and Outback Australia.